In this video, we'll show you how to set up duplicate handling in Albato to keep your data clean. Duplicate records quickly become a mess. They clutter your data, waste transactions, and can even send the same message to a customer more than once. Instead of cleaning everything manually, let Albato do it for you. Open your action step and look for the duplicate handling icon. If you don't see it, that app doesn't support duplicate search. Before you set up duplicate search, fill in the action fields first. Albato can only search using the fields you've already mapped. Now open the duplicate settings and choose what should happen when Albato finds a matching record or doesn't. The first option always creates a new record. There's no duplicate check, so it's the fastest option. Just keep in mind that every automation run creates a new record, even if it already exists. With this option, Albato checks for a matching record first. If it finds one, it skips creating a new record and uses the existing one instead. If no match is found, a new record is created. This option checks for a match first. If one exists, Albato updates it. If not, it creates a new record. It's a great choice for keeping CRM contacts up to date without creating duplicates. This one only updates existing records. If no match is found, nothing is created, and the automation simply moves on. Choose the fields Albato should use to find duplicates. The best choices are unique values like an email address, phone number, customer ID, or deal ID. If you select more than one field, all of them must match. If you need a match on any one of several fields, use a router. That's it. Now you know how to handle duplicate records in Albato and keep your data clean. For a detailed step-by-step guide and more examples, check the link in the description below.